Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's leading design, architecture, fine arts, law and management entrance exam preparation ISO 9001:2015 certified institute. In this video, we will be discussing the most popular flagship UG design course, Fashion Design. Be with us till the end. The fashion design program has played an influential role in the growth of the Indian fashion industry. In the 3 decades of its existence, the graduates of the department have made remarkable presence in the Indian as well as global fashion scenario. The 4-year program in fashion design aims to produce dynamic design professionals who can face the challenges of the ever-changing fashion industry. It also equips them with strong creative and technical skills related to the field of fashion, which empower them to adapt to an evolving fashion biosphere. The curriculum incorporates combination of experiential learning and hands-on training enables integrated development. The department closely works with fashion professionals to create a sensational series of design professionals to evolve a unique fashion identity universally relevant and acceptable for a global audience. Holistic inputs on generic design with focused approach towards apparel inculcates the ability to develop and channelize creativity in tandem with the industry requirements, where design thinking plays a pivotal role. The students are trained to anticipate and address relevant concerns and issues. Study of historical and contemporary fashion influences provide a concrete foundation for focused design interpretations and inspirations. A logical, sequential hands-on experience enables students to conceptualize design, make patterns, drape and construct garments of impeccable quality. In tune with this focus, the major areas of study in the department are identified as design and illustration, fundamentals of apparel development. In addition to the well-defined major areas of study within the department, luxury and couture or image creation and styling are identified. Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CET, UCET entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now. As areas of deepening specialization for the students pursuing fashion design. The flexibility in choosing the specialization based on the personal area of interest adds to the wholesomeness of the program, wherein students choose to specialize in any one area. Major core domain areas of the department have been identified as design and illustration, fundamentals of apparel development, value addition for apparel and history, and contemporary fashion. Various subjects such as fashion design and illustration, pattern making, draping, garment construction, fabric fundamentals, sustainability crafts and fashion, history of Indian textiles, history of clothing, value addition exports. Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CET, UCET entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now. Retail, couture and print, etc. are offered under these broad areas. The subjects of study within each semester lead towards progressive learning from basic to advanced levels of design and their interpretations over 3 years of study in the department. DS1. Luxury and couture. This course examines luxury couture fashion with a focus on understanding the specific market, its design details and construction procedures. Spread over 4 semesters, students acquire high fashion sewing skills on suitable fabrics with application of relevant trims and embellishments for bridal, evening or occasion wear. Be required to produce a learning diary of the techniques discussed. They will leave the course with design journals focused on conceptualization, ideation, surface explorations, pattern developments, garment execution along with the complete look. This specialization envisaging meticulous design detail with aesthetic and commercial know-how for crafting luxury fashion products. DS2 Image Creation and Styling. This course provides insights to practical situations. Students will leave the course with a portfolio of image building ideas, which captures self-executed real hypothetical projects. Career Pathways. The program prepares students for a wide range of careers in the textile and fashion industry like mills, export houses, buying agencies, design studios, handloom and handicraft cooperatives. Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CED, UCED, entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.